We're going to start with making some fruits. First, we're going to make strawberry and raspberry. There are three ways to use marzipan. Either you can buy in the stores ready colored marzipan. You can color marzipan before you use it to shape, which I'm going to show you how to do it later on. Or you can shape it as a plain marzipan and paint it later on. So we start with strawberry. We take marzipan, we make it into a bowl, and then we press a little bit around the one edge to make it a little bit like an oval shape. And the top, we're going to flutter down the top. Now we're going to take a grater and press it, not too hard, but we're going to press it and turn it around. This is strawberry that we made so far. You see these little dots. Now we're going to put a top to it. We take a green color marzipan. We're going to make a small bowl and then flatten it down and make like a flower shape to it. Just squeeze it, punch it at the ends, and make a little star shape, I should say, like this. And we're going to take a clove and put first the green marzipan on top, and then put both marzipans, the green and the red, together with the clove. If you want to make the strawberry look more real, you can add, there is an option to add cocoa to it. We take a toothpick, put a little bit of cocoa powder on it, and then we can just, on the holes, just put a little bit, go from hole to hole, add a little bit of cocoa to each one. And here is our finished strawberry.